In today's video, we will practice daily English through real conversations. Speak with me and improve your confidence. Let's begin. Listen. How are you? I'm doing well. Speak with me. How are you? I'm doing well. Say it again. How are you? I'm doing well. Conversation 2. Learning. What are you doing? I am learning English. Please repeat after me. Conversation 3. Asking for help. Could you help me? Sure. No problem. Repeat after me. Conversation 4. Explanation. Can you explain this? Yes, I will explain. Please repeat. Conversation 5. Understanding. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Say it again. Conversation 6. Not understanding. Do you understand? No, I don't understand. Please repeat. Conversation 7. Repeat. Please repeat that. Sure, I will repeat. Say it again. Conversation 8. Clarity. What do you mean? Let me explain. Please repeat. Conversation 9. Time. Please wait a moment. Okay, no problem. Conversation 10. I will call you later. Okay, sure. Please repeat. Conversation 11. Start. Let's start. Yes, let's start. Say it again. Conversation 12. That sounds good. Yes, I agree with you. Please say it again. Conversation 13. Thinking. Do you agree? Yes, I think so. Conversation 14. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Please say it again. Conversation 15. Okay. Sorry. That's okay. Please repeat. Conversation 16. Time flex. Take your time. Thank you. Please repeat. Conversation 17. Arrival. Where are you? I'll be there soon. Please say it again. Conversation 18. Travel. Are you coming? I'm on my way. Please say it again. Conversation 19. Wait. Please wait. Sure. Say it again. Conversation 20. Checking. Can you check this? Let me check. Please repeat. Conversation 21. Thanking. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Say it again. Final practice. Now let's practice one more time. Conversation learning. What are you doing? I'm learning English. Please repeat after me. Conversation asking for help. Could you help me? Sure. Please repeat. Conversation explanation. Can you explain this? Yes, I will explain. Say it again. Conversation understanding. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Say it again. Great job. Practice these conversations daily to improve your speaking. Follow for more English learning.